What's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Polygon, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of the Polygon. What's the price changes over in the Polygon Matic? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates video about Polygon Matic. The current live price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 1.6 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the Polygon Matic. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the changes over in the Polygon Matic, so negative 1.81% changes is negative. Just the last 60-minute changes is negative, and except of the last 60-minute changes, the previous changes, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur on the Polygon Matic is completely positive, and massive changes occur like that in the Polygon Matic. So guys, now due to these changes, I recommend for you to invest in a Polygon. Absolutely a massive. Just look here, let me show you the price details about Polygon. You can see here, absolutely, oh my god. Now at this time, just look here on the July 29, the price of Polygon Matic is 1.15 cent. It's the price of Polygon on the 29 July. I mean, in the beginning of August, the price of the Polygon is 1.4 cent, and now you can see here the latest price is 1.6. I think they are going to hit at 2 USD dollar. Only 4 cents remaining for a 2 USD dollar. So approximately a 1 USD dollar jump so in the Polygon Matic. 1 USD dollar. So there's really a good changes open in the Polygon Matic, and guys, if these kind of changes continue Polygon, so they will make you millionaire, guys. So don't be mad and don't do this mistake. Just hold for a long time. Just you can see 72% positive changes occur in the last 1 month, and 169 cent is the highest price in the last 1 month. So guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more videos about Polygon Matic.